Howdy, Scott in Colorado here. We're on the Big Thompson River, just west of Loveland, west side of Loveland, near my house, about a mile away or less. Well, maybe a couple miles away now that I'm on the river. Maybe 3/4 of a mile to drive down here or less. Anyways, had to try out the canoe. It's February 3rd or something like that. The kayak rather. Feels like a canoe, it's so long. This is a 15.5 foot kayak. It's an ocean kayak, has a rudder in the back, although it's flipped up right now, as you can see. This water is so shallow. It is February. This weather is so warm, it's crazy. Very delightful. There's some geese flying overhead. Had to try out my new toy. I used to own a 17 foot 2-inch rather, Old Town, what was it called? Tripper, Old Town Tripper, 17-foot canoe made by Old Town. This is also made by Old Town, and I better steer here so I get here in the river. The water level's so low that I can't get through some of the fast sections because I can't get my paddle in the water. It's only about 2 inches deep and it hit bottom. Anyways, it's a gorgeous day in Colorado. If you live back east, I'm sorry. Your weather is really cold and nasty, but it's absolutely gorgeous here in Colorado. We got 18 inches or of snow, 12 to 18 inches up in on the east slope. But down here, it's really nice. It's about 45, almost 50 degrees out right now. So, anyways, wish you guys were here. Went to SHOT Show, 3 days of total exhaustion. Hiked miles and miles every day. I think it was 6.7 miles we hiked the first day at SHOT Show. Oh my gosh, talk about pilot overload. There's so much to see. We saw maybe a 20th of what was there in 3 days. It was very enjoyable, mostly to spend time with my son Tyler. And, it's nice to be home. Just floating down the river. Found this boat, this kayak at Sierra Trading Post. It's a $1,900 boat, retail. I paid $7.99, $800 for it. And got this paddle. It was damaged. This is a blemished canoe or kayak. They said the colors weren't right. Whatever. And got this nice carbon fiber paddle for next to nothing. And because it was damaged, I've damaged it more just hitting on our own rocks in the last 5 minutes than it ever was in the store. But that's okay. Let's see. It looks like I need to back up the truck a little bit. Move my bow around. A little hard to film this and paddle at the same time. So sorry about the shaky camera, but I have nothing to hold on to the camera with. It's just my phone. Pause it and straighten out here. Yeah, we got straightened out. Here we are approaching the Wilson Street Bridge. This Street Wilson turns into Taft Hill. It's called Taft Hill down in Fort Collins, or up in North Fort Collins if you want to call it up. It's north. Same street, different name. Beautiful day today. It was supposed to storm. They had a winter storm warning, and they canceled it. So I don't know if the storm just vaporized, turned into nothing, if it's just in the mountains or what. Nice for us. Wilson Street Bridge. Swallow nest from last spring. This is where I put in right here. This bridge was washed out in 2013, this little footbridge here. And they finally replaced it this year, well, 2017. Last year, it's February now, 2018. It washed away, never to be seen again. Never saw parts and pieces of it, just turned it to dust and rust. That's my rudder. You're hearing that aluminum tapping on the bottom. It's my rudder hitting the bottom because it's so shallow here.